So we did end up going in a US 30 short, but I always get filled in. This would have been the initial short right here. We're this close from losing the funded account. So what I ended up doing, I ended up adding another position to this area. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day in the life. Today is Sunday. I am starting on this video on Sunday because in the morning I don't want to make the intro. I just want to get straight into the trading. Once I wake up, freshen up, whatever, I want to get straight into the trading sessions. But I'm just making an intro now. It is Sunday. It is time for me to go to work. I do have to be out of here in 4 minutes. But listen, we back. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow's Monday. I am going over the charts. I am going over the market. For last week, it was a pretty choppy week. It was a pretty shitty week for me. But we're going to come back this week and let's see if we blow the account, or let's see if we turn this account around. I really want to turn this account around. I really think that we're going to turn this account around, but anything can happen. So I'm going to catch you guys in the trading session. I'm not going to record anything of my Sunday. I'm just going to go straight to work, go to sleep, come back, wake up on Monday, and get right into the trading session. So I'm going to see you guys in the trading session. All right, so don't mind my voice. I am kind of sick right now, but like I said, we are on Monday's trading session. It says 8, but it's 9:17, and I'm pretty bullish on the day. We're probably short-term bearish to get a retracement so we can target more highs up this fair value gap. Let's catch a dub today. You guys can see I didn't take any trades yet, but we ended up flipping bearish. If we close like this at 10, I'm gonna have to find a reason to take sales, but it's looking like a choppy Monday. Annoying. But there's been a lot of manipulation in the market lately since forever, bro. Like it's crazy. There's a lot of manipulation, but my additional idea was waiting into this 1 hour for value gaps to get filled. This is the fib level and this is the imbalance, and all that just got disrespected around market open. So it's just crazy. So we are in a long position right here. We enter off this fair value gap that I like before 10 a.m. because 10 a.m. could do crazy volume. So I am getting in before 10 a.m. 10 a.m. just opened right now. We have a 100-point stop, 200-point TP. Let's see what happens. Honestly, this trade can take a long time to play out, but I'm okay with that because last time we took a long time to play out. We were up 700 and we hit break even. So I'm okay with waiting. So we're getting really good volume to the upside, which I do like. We up 360. Stop loss is still original stop loss. We haven't moved to TP yet. We're almost halfway through the trade. It'll take time. Up 360, so we should be good. We should be chilling. So like we were tracing, yeah, 60 bucks. Let me see. Let me go to a lower time frame and let's see what happens. Here, on a 5 minute, we are retracing a little bit on the 5 minute. It's fine. Let's pull it on thing right here. Yeah, it's looking like we're gonna hit that halfway level with that, so we should be good on the 5 minute. Yeah, we have a 5 minute for value gap, bearish for value gap, but it is what it is. We are retracing just a little bit. It's okay if we hit TP. If we hit stop loss, we hit stop loss. Ain't nothing too big with that. Oh no, I'm playing. I'm not even tripping though. I think I'm gonna cut the short. I'm gonna cut the trade early. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this trade early. I don't want to lose too much on a trade that I don't need to lose on. I don't need to lose 500 on this trade. But we'll see. Yep, guys, it's looking like we're gonna get stopped out here. We haven't got stopped out yet. This could still hold, but like I said, if we come back to this area, this is gonna fall crazy. We had the bearish and bullish confluences at the same time. We did consolidate here. We did come take this liquidity, so we should have been, but we have this fair value gap. I don't know. You know what? Let me stay up the 1 minute. Let me stay up the 5 minute. I don't trade that anymore. I trade the 1 hour and the 4 hour. But it's good to see what we doing. You know what I'm saying? It's good to see. Listen, man, we ended up taking a L. You know what I'm saying? I try to double down on my bias and I try to, minimize the risk on this trade. But listen, we ended up being wrong. It is what it is. We got, let me see. Let me check for you guys. We got 2 days left to trade it. We got 2 days left to trade it. We lost 500 right here. 2 2 days left of trading, guys. 2 days. So as you guys can see, it is later in the day. It is dark outside. You guys see that I took a L again. Once again, we got 2 more trading days left in the challenge. I am, I'm really disappointed in myself. I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, I'm really disappointed in myself because I got funded, and we tanked from there. I hoped we didn't do that, but we ended up tanking. It is what it is. My confidence is at an all-time low. I'm just being transparent with you guys. My confidence is at an all-time low. But listen, we're gonna keep pushing. Does not mean we're gonna stop. All right, does not mean we're gonna give up. But listen, yeah, I'm ready to go to the gym. So my voice is a little, my nose is stuffed, so my voice is a little, annoying. But I am gonna go ahead to the gym now. I am gonna pick up the video on tomorrow's trading session. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. So we are back. It is again about to be 9:30. We are back on this account. Listen, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm going to be putting contracts to 1 until I build enough buffer for me to climb out of this account. Okay, so I'm gonna build enough buffer for myself to obviously add another contract. So instead of 2 trading days, we have 4 trading days. We're gonna turn this account around, and I'm not gonna stop till it's turned around. So we have 4 trading days now instead of 2. I'm gonna be risking 250 to make 500. So let's see what we could do. Alright, so we did end up going in our US30 short, but I always get filled in. This would have been the initial short right here, but I always get filled in like crazy because it had a reaction quick. But I feel like this is gonna be a loss already, so I think I'm gonna just take the L, whatever. But yeah, I hate the way this shit fills me in all the fucking time. All the time it fills me in. Stupid. This is my initial entry, the yellow, and it filled me in all the way down here, and my stop loss gets fucked, literally. But hopefully this shit can hold, because this is only one trade and one trade only. So it's looking like we're gonna get stopped out here, so we're gonna see. We like 2 ticks away. I just hate, honestly, bro, I hate the way this shit fills me in all the time. I wanted shorts from this area right here, this area. As soon as I press sell, she want to come down all the way down here and fill me in, bro. Like it's crazy. Our our stop loss wouldn't have been so close, but you know what I'm saying, it is what it is, bro. You can't even do nothing about it. Hopefully we just don't take out this area of liquidity here. We already took enough liquidity. I think we're getting an SMT right here. Let me check. I don't even know. I don't think so. But hopefully we just dump from here. Powell speaks, and market goes crazy when he speaks. So hopefully it goes crazy in my direction. But yeah, see what happens. I'm not getting stopped out, but it looks like we're coming back up. This is not a trend line. Okay, this is it was supposed to be an SMT, not a trend line. We can delete that. But yeah, it's looking like we're gonna get cooked here. Hopefully 10 if we're still in the trade by 10 a.m, hopefully 10 a.m can just fall straight to the phase down, bro, because I ain't gonna lie, I did minimize my risk, but I just been taking L's lately, man. And this is the journey of it, bro. This is the reality of it. But we're gonna see. 10 a.m. news ended up taking all this liquidity and stopping me out. And that's what it is. That is all I have for today, honestly, man. That is all I have for today. I am not gonna take no more trades today. I'm gonna exit everything off right now. This week, actually last week, was a losing streak for me, and this week it looks like it's going to be another losing streak for me as well. We've lost yesterday and today, and yeah, I think it's time to sit down and reevaluate everything before I get on another challenge. It's just a whole bunch of stuff that comes into play with this. If you guys don't know, I am going through some things outside of trading and outside of just outside of trading and YouTube. I am going through things in my personal life. I mean, nothing too crazy, but it is things that play a big role in my confidence and my mentality. But listen, it is what it is. We take L's, we win some, we lose some, and that's it. It's all right. I'm still gonna be pushing out videos for you guys. I'm still gonna be actively on YouTube, or I'm gonna try to be active on YouTube, because just, you know, I don't know. I honestly, guys, I don't know what to say, but it is what it is. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll trade. Once again, I will be filming tomorrow and we'll see what happens. Let's just get our day started. I'm not gonna keep you guys here too long. If you guys made it this far, I appreciate you guys watching. And yeah, let's get our day started. All right, so we hitting a little quick workout with the dumbbells. I don't know if you guys can see. Damn, look at the top of my body. Ooh, starting to get back. But listen, I'm not gonna let that loss stop me. I am getting a little workout in with the dumbbells, like I said. And I am gonna go to the gym later, so we're getting 2 workouts in today. You know, there's only thing I can really do is workout, back test, workout, back test, workout, and trust the Lord. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. All right, so we ended up finishing up the gym. Last clip, you guys see me working out in the house. But wait, we just came back from the physical gym. You know, I worked out a little bit in the house, and then I worked out at the gym. Like I said, all I gotta do, oh wait, the lighting is bad. Oh my God, yo. Now that I'm this close to losing the funded account, I am gonna reevaluate everything, okay, everything. Not so much my strategy, but I am gonna reevaluate how much, if I want to get back into a challenge, if I want to stay on a demo account for a couple weeks, or just everything needs to be just, you know, reevaluated, because I don't want to get funded again and blow it once again. So I am going to be ending the video here. I'm sorry to disappoint you guys about this funded. I thought I was going to get, you know, payouts and stuff in the future, but it is what it is. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.